Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2017 Infiniti QX50 maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here. The info button, up, down, left, right, and enter. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Okay, now go ahead and hit the info button. Go ahead and scroll down to maintenance, enter on it. Go ahead and enter on engine oil, and go ahead and enter on the reset display. Reset distance. I'm so sorry. Okay, as you can see, the orange light, warning light has to disappear. And now you have to go back, go down to oil filter, enter on it, and go ahead and reset distance on that one too. And now go ahead and go back. If you want to reset your tire, this is also possible. And let's see. I guess that's it, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.